I had a little friend of mine take a major branch off of my plum tree last year and I repaired it. So let's take a look and see how it fared. I'm going to go ahead and show you the bandage and cut it off and hope everything looks good. So this is what I rigged up. First of all, I took a piece of an old sock and I put it up there as a cushion, and then I put another one here and I put a string to hold that up, support it, and then I took another piece of sock in there. It's looking really old and crusty now, to cushion this, and this is where the break was, around this area. Then I went ahead and I think I used some tape and over that, and then some twine. So I'm going to go ahead and cut away here from recording, and then cut away at this stuff, and we're both going to see what's under here and how it fared. Alright, so I had really mummified that thing, but you can see this is where one of those cushions was, and that's where the other cushion was here, and this is where the break was. And I'm going to put a little bit of pressure here. Looks like there's still the smallest bit of a crack there, but let's look on the other side. Yeah, you can see where the break was here, a little better on the other side. All in all, I'd call this successful, and I'm glad that I waited as long as I did. I had watched some videos or read some information saying to wait a year. I think I waited a little over a year. But now this can get some air. It looks pretty good, actually, from when I put the bandage on. I think it looks pretty good. And here's the thing. If you do nothing, then you'll have to cut the branch off. If you leave it just broken, you risk disease. But if you wrap it like I did and support it, then you very well can save the branch. And you can see, I mean, this is the main branch of the tree. And I had to talk with a little guy about that and why not to pull off branches of people's trees, especially this one that's is very important to me. Anyway, so that's the deal. You wrap it up and protect it, cushion it somehow, maybe with a rag or something like that, and prop it, wrap it, and yeah, you might save your branch. All right, so thanks for watching. It's really fun and rewarding to see how things progress when you do something like this. This tree was planted as just a little sprout, and there were some flowers this year, and so I want it to be the most productive as it can be, and that means taking care of it. So, you have a broken branch on one of your trees, fix it. Thanks for watching. Bye.